Kejandama, welcome to day 1 of our 9 free days, 30 days spoken Maasai language and culture orientation. My name is Teto Oletutuba, and today we begin with the most essential aspect of any language, greetings. In the Maasai world, greetings are not just words. They are a doorway to respect, connection, and storytelling. In our culture, it is the younger or lower ranking person who initiates a greeting. However, when physical contact is established, such as a handshake or a head bow, the elder or higher ranking person speaks first. Say, for example, a child approaches an elder, they bend their head saying ngasak, or a young man comes and stretches their hand and say ngasak. Then it is the senior who receives the gesture of the greeting, touching the child's head or the young man's hand and say, Sobai. Or, if they know them, they could call their name, Sobai, Ankayoni, or Sobai, or Murani, or to insinuate the time of the day, Sobai, Enenda Degenyam, or Enendeva, etc., etc. Another way of greeting is Keja, to mean how is it? Keja endama, how is the day? Keja endeba, how is the evening? Keja engobini, how is your land? Etc., etc. In Maasai society, oratory is highly valued. When two people meet after some time, they engage in detailed storytelling about their homestead, village, or region. They exchange updates on changes, threats, and any major occurrences, especially concerning the loss of community members. Now let's talk about special greetings. When a man greets a woman the traditional way, it is them to say, Takwenya, and the women or woman to respond, Iko. So in singular, Takwenya, if whoever is being greeted is single, or and Takwenya, if there are several of them. And the response is always Iko. Cultural perceptions and common nouns. Now that we have covered greetings, let's explore some essential Maasai nouns related to everyday life. Understanding these words will help you build your vocabulary as we move